Hi, I'm Tap Johnson, and I'm the president of TAPCO Underwriters. If you'll invest a few minutes and watch this DVD, I'm certain I will prove to you that by using TAPCO's revolutionary technology, our delivery platform, our excited, our dedicated, our professional people, you can find a new way to sell insurance. I know you think you need a new broker like a hole in the head. Today's market, normally I would agree with you if I hadn't spent the last 25 years backed by the hundreds of dedicated TAPCO employees to perfect the logical way. We think of ourselves as a logical choice. We offer a system, you can dial a number, we'll pick up the phone. In 30 seconds or less, you're talking to a living, breathing insurance professional. Not some silly website you have to learn how to navigate, but somebody who will hold your hand, make you feel smart, make you feel empowered, make you feel confident. We're not quoting just one product, we're not quoting just one company. We're quoting thousands of property and casualty classes through almost every single surplus line insurer who's out there today. And you and I both know they're aggressively competing for your business. So watch the DVD, but if you don't have the time, I'll make it real simple. Just dial our number, make the call. In 30 seconds, you're talking to a TAPCO professional. 5 minutes later, you'll have a quote, you'll have a binder. If the customer's sitting across your desk like he is half the time, we'll take his payment, whip out his credit card, paperless check, we'll send a cert of insurance. Dial the number, 5 minutes or less, quality product, less time, less expense, you're a hero. Go sell another product, or as I like to always say, get your job done and go home and enjoy your life. Thanks for watching the show.
Founded in 1983, TAPCO has grown to become one of the preeminent MGAs in the country, employing 185 people and providing service to 8,000 independent agencies. Last year, TAPCO helped 20,000 retail producers place coverage for 200,000 customers. And the reason for TAPCO's success? Superior customer service and the implementation of new technologies that improve the quoting and binding process.
One of the reasons I think it does point to TAPCO being the logical choice is in pursuing some specific coverage for myself and my family. I called my local retail agent, explained the coverage that I needed, told them which carriers I thought would write it. They came back 2.5 weeks later with a quote, and one of the carriers we actually represented here, and I could have called, quoted, and bound the coverage within 5 minutes.
There have been many factors that have contributed to our success over the past 25 years, but some of the more notable. Our number one customer is the retail agent. It was then, it is today, it will always be our number one priority. Our service model is unique to the industry. What once took days, TAPCO can do in minutes. It only takes one simple phone call. Our markets continue to offer us broader coverage and cutting-edge products. It's our history of profitability that strengthens our markets. TAPCO is made up of over 180 of the best people in the business.
When a customer of ours speaks to one of our employees, I don't think there's any question in that customer's mind that the person on the other end of that line has a huge grin on their face. I don't think there's any question in our customer's mind that we're happy about what we do and that we're happy and eager to make their job easier.
One simple phone call and you'll see why TAPCO is the logical choice. Our goal is to take the burden off of the agent and let the technology do the work quickly and accurately. We've developed proprietary technology that has enabled us to turn a process that once took days into a 5-minute friendly phone call. The entire delivery process has been revolutionized through the application of this system, from the initial call and quoting experience through the process of binding, issuing, and even renewing insurance policies. Our mission is to provide a highly responsive level of service, courteously, at a fair price, with solid insurers.
We're able to provide telephone quotes for basically over 1,000 classes of business, which we have binding authority for our various carriers. Once we give the quote over the telephone, we can email the agent a nice quote proposal that provides the quote along with the application, any required forms, and a finance agreement optional through Charleston Premium Finance Company.
What is TAPCO's idea of responsive service? All phone calls are answered within 30 seconds. Phone quotes are provided within 5 minutes. One call does it all. We will quote you with virtually every surplus lines binding authority company that is competing aggressively for your business. Policies are issued the same day that applications and money are received. Quotes and binders delivered live time to you via email before you hang up the phone. Endorsements are issued in 24 hours. Premium financing is offered with every eligible quote. Paperless communications is a standard operating procedure from the initial quote through policy issuance. Direct bill or agency bill, you, the customer, choose. Bonus commission is paid with every binder via your own personal debit card. Credit card and ACH payments accepted for all transactions.
A lot of our agents deal with other things other than commercial lines. So sometimes they're more familiar with the personal department or auto or life insurance, so they don't know the exact question to ask to underwrite the risk. That's the beauty of when they call and they speak to somebody personally on the phone. We can say, oh, what's the payroll, or what's the gross receipts, or how long has this insured been in business, and kind of hold their hands and make them more comfortable so it's not as intimidating as just filling out a blank application and not knowing exactly what the premium basis is they might need.
Our system is not just an estimate or a guess. It is real underwriting, real rules, real prices, real coverage from real companies that can all be bound right there on the phone.
I talked to an agent this morning who told me how grateful she was that I helped her out. I took the extra time and the step to walk her through an application and to get a good quote, and she's already called back to bind it.
TAPCO built a proprietary underwriting rules engine that processes thousands of underwriting rules for all the carriers at the speed of light.
To quote and bind an agent on a phone call, it takes less than 5 minutes.
We can send them all the paperwork, applications, finance agreements, terrorism disclosures.
Agents should call TAPCO because not only will they get prompt and courteous service, but they will also have all of the tools that they need and materials in order to write that business.
We're absolutely dedicated to making the agent's life easier. We send them a quote along with all applications and forms that need to be completed.
If an agent needs to make changes to a quote, it's very simple. All they need to do is either give us a buzz back. We can pull the quote up with a quote ID and make changes just as simple as we can the original quote.
One call does it all. The agent gets to see the quotes from all markets at once. This empowers you to be confident with the fact that you know all the choices, all markets, all prices.
I think the agent should give us a try because they will see that, number one, we're going to provide them a quick, efficient quote. We're going to make things easy on them. We're going to hold their hand and make it as simple as possible and less intimidating. And they'll get better customer service from us than they would from anyone else.
We are not a website. TAPCO is real people here to help you, not some machine. It's easier to talk to someone than to try to figure out how to navigate a site. We hold your hand, tell you what you need to bind the account so you can close the deal the first time.
My favorite part of working at TAPCO is that I'm able to help the agents by taking that extra step to ask them, do you need any more help? Is there anything else we can provide for you today? Do you need any other quotes? It's just taking those extra few seconds to give them the extra service that they need.
TAPCO's accounting department utilizes the same modern technologies as a bank. We are integrated remotely with the Federal Reserve and process thousands of payments daily. We're able to offer many payment solutions, from accepting the insured's credit card, ACH, or paperless check, to premium finance with monthly payments, agency bill, direct bill, or mortgagee bill.
Hi, I'm Kristen Hill. I'm the manager of the accounting department at TAPCO Underwriters. Our number one focus in our department is to make sure that your payment is applied quickly and accurately. We're here to help you keep that business on the books.
I'm Theresa Harding. I'm the policy issuance manager, and our team's goal is to get the policy to the agent immediately, or at least within the same day.
My name is Jackie Clark Gatto. I work in the rating department, and my goal every day is to issue a policy that is a quality product, no mistakes, to get the application and the premium in today, and to get the policy out today.
Same-day service is our goal because our job is not finished until we have the policy in the customer's hand.
TAPCO is completely paperless. We have been imaging all documents for over 8 years. Imaging allows for instant access to any document, correspondence, and piece of mail or paperwork at any time from any TAPCO employee. TAPCO operates its own printing, folding, inserting, and mailing facility. Our facility prints and mails over 2.5 million documents every month. We utilize barcode, optical character readers, high-speed printers, laser readers, custom folding and inserting equipment, all up to bank and utility company processing standards. This commitment to our mailing facility allows us to guarantee that your policies get delivered on time to your customer.
My name is Joe Gianzanti. I'm the Manager of Information Systems here at TAPCO. TAPCO is very committed to technology. We have built custom systems here to make everything easier for everyone involved. The agents, the underwriters that work for us, our systems are designed to be fast and accurate and easy to use. We have 16 IT professionals here at TAPCO, and everything we do is designed to build better and better systems to get everybody the best transaction they can.
I love coming to work every day, and I love dealing with the agents. I love the people we work with, the atmosphere here. It's just one big happy family, and I think that our agents feel that same way when they call us. They get that personalized service, and that really means a lot to them, and then it makes our job better.
There are plenty of GAs out there who have the same top-notch markets that we have, and they can sell the same products at essentially the same prices. But if you can place that business in a fraction of the time, with a fraction of the effort, then why would you call anybody else?
My favorite thing about working at TAPCO is the camaraderie and the teamwork.
From the agent standpoint, if we can get someone to give us a call, we have the ability to walk them through that process fairly quickly.
TAPCO Underwriters values its customers. We believe that by giving the retail agent something extra in service and quality will ensure a long, pleasant, and profitable association. Here you will find a talented group of people operating as a team with the common objective of providing fast, efficient, quality service.
Hi, my name's Elizabeth Gilley, an underwriter for TAPCO Underwriters, and I'm ready to take your call and provide the service you deserve.
TAPCO has a modern technology, a delivery platform, but it's not a website. It's real people helping real agents all the time. In a simple 5-minute phone call, our underwriters will quote you with virtually every single surplus lines insurance company out there, not just for one class or one market, but for 1,000 classes. In a simple call, we can quote you, we can bind you, we can issue certificate of insurance, even your customer can pay with a paperless check or a credit card right there on the spot. Best of all, you've got a superior product with less time, less effort, less expense. Your customers in and out the door in 5 minutes or less. Give us a call, and any one of the happy, excited TAPCO underwriters will be glad to show you how in 5 minutes or less we help you get your job done, get on to the next customer, or most important, as I always say, home to your family and to your real life.